Look what we got in today. We got a new scope from Vector Optics, the OwlSet brand. 8 by 50 millimeter HD digital day and night vision scope. Comes with a nice neoprene sleeve, nice packaging, and this video is just going to be a dedicated unboxing and initial impressions. The next video is going to be mounting it to the gun and checking out all the footage. That's a quick overview of everything that comes in the box. Everything seems well manufactured. The scope is very sturdy. It's got nice little buttons, adjustable lenses. I mean, this thing is not cheap. You can just tell by the feel of it. I think it's going to be a really good performer. But on the next video, we're going to put it on the gun, get it mounted up, check all the displays. It's got an OLED display on the inside. So I think it's going to be really, really nice. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button because the next video is going to show you what this scope's all about.